Hello, Joe. What is it that Joe Tidy likes to do for fun?
I enjoy participating in triathlons, marathons, and wild swimming. I also like golfing and am a movie geek.
This is an AI clone, not just of my face and voice, of my thoughts as well. It's trained on my public profile.
Hi, team.
And aside from the long delays, it works pretty well one-to-one. But what about sending it to a work meeting?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thank you.
Oh, it is AI, isn't it?
It's AI. It's definitely AI. I said it was AI to start with. The blinking was so weird.
This AI clone was fooling no one.
These AI clones are more about attending meetings than doing the whole job. Keeps things interesting, though.
But there's growing excitement for the tech. Zoom's CEO says we'll one day be able to send our clones to meetings on our behalf. But of course, criminals are also exploring this technology too. Police in Hong Kong are investigating after cyber fraudsters used some sort of AI face and voice cloning to trick an employee during a work video call into transferring $25 million to them in a fake deal. So it looks like we're going to have to work a lot harder to verify who's on the other side of the screen.
Graham, Lily, were you on it as quickly as Liv and Tom were?
No, I was not. But also, I'm on my phone.
For me, Joe just looks really, really unwell, and I just didn't want to be impolite.